Hello everyone, this is your mentor Ayush R. We had came today with our new video lecture on Joule's law of heating effect of electric current. Joule's law. In current electricity, we study about this law. What Joule's law actually refers to. So consider a DC circuit. Consider a DC circuit containing several elements. Say this is resistance. This is positive terminal, that's the negative terminal, and again I current is flowing in this circuit. In some time t, in some time interval t. So what this Joule's law of heating effect of electric current says? Heating effect of this law is regarding heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. What this law actually refers to. So Joule named scientist had said, who discovered the energy, okay, the expression for energy, I is directly proportional, okay, I of square, the current square is directly proportional to the heat generated, or you can write it as heat generated in this circuit is directly proportional to the square of current. Some value of energy is lost in the form of heat energy in a circuit, in a DC circuit. Some value of energy is lost in the form of heat energy. Okay, so H is directly proportional to square of I. H is also directly proportional to the resistance. The value of resistance, how much the resistance is increasing, the heat is always increasing. Okay, it is directly proportional. If you will increase heat, the resistance will also be increased. Next, this heat is changing according to time. Okay, so it is directly proportional to time. Is it clear? Next we are having, by combining equation number first, equation number second and equation number third, we will get H is equal to I of square R times T. H is equal to I square RT. That's the basic expression for Joule's law of heating effect of electric current. So that's the value of heat. What's the unit of this heat? In joules. J for joule. Joule is the unit of energy. Which energy we are having here? We are having heat energy. A circuit is losing energy in the form of heat energy. Next, you can also write it as, since you know P is equal to I square R, you can substitute it here. As here. So H is equal to P times T. H is equal to P times T. Again you can classify it into, you can put V is equal to IR and V by R is equal to I. Substitute the value of I is equal to V by R in this equation. So H is equal to V square by R times T. This all are the expression for heat energy. And basically the unit of heat is joule, because it's Joule's law. Okay. In an electrical circuit, we consider an electrical circuit. Then in observatory, we observed that whenever we are increasing this quantity is also increasing. So we made an observation. Joule made an observation that this quantities will be increasing. According to that, we had developed an expression for heat energy. Thank you.